Okay, well there it is. I'm going to try to make it lighter for y'all. Moment here. There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this open here. Get this stand up. Using my BlackBerry playbook cord. Opening this. Okay. This way looks nice. Keys, not just for opening doors. A lot of Chinese writing. That's interesting. A lot of Chinese writing. Bilingual tape. You guys can still see that. Perfect. So. There she is. I ordered the projector, spare bulb, and HDMI cable. So, let's see what this is here. It's a spare bulb. I'll show you that. Keep it in pristine condition. Plug, remote control. We'll get into that in a bit. Pretty solid. VGA. Okay, this is what we got on the packaging. It's a VGA HDMI for free. That's your spare lamp. Hopefully, the other one's in there, ready to go. Remote control, audio video cables, plug, mounts, the little TV input thing. of course, a monster. I mean, this thing's a beast. Let's see. You never had a review like these. There. That's going to give you an idea of the length. 14 inches by 11 from the front. That's the front, so just pause the video if you have any issues. Okay, well, next up is the unboxing is complete. I'm going to take everything out of the package and set it up once more and get ready for setup. So that's it.